Hi guys, so I'm gonna be doing some ombre braids. This time I'm using 1B purple, and this is my hair beforehand. So I've just finished shampooing and conditioning, and I did a protein treatment to give my hair some strength. And I'm monitoring the back to see how it grows over the next couple of months with constant protein treatments. So yeah, you know, I'm quite fortunate that this portion of my hair is nice and thick. So I just need to be extra cautious with my nape area and my hairline. Right, what am I using? I'm using this ORS buttercream styling smoothie, and it's got ghee butter and coconut. It's a very thick product. That's to keep my hair moisturized underneath the protective style. I'm using this castor oil by Blue Magic. That's to seal in the moisture and add some shine, and to just tame the frizz, I'm going to be using this Gummy Professional Styling Wax Ultra Hold, and it's actually a edge control, very strong edge control, sleeks the hair really nicely. And this is the watermelon scent, and that's about, I think, £4 or £5 from Pax Cosmetics. Okay, let's get started. Hey, so this is how far I have reached so far, and I'm using the Ombre Expressions braiding hair. This is the color purple, so it starts off black and it goes into a dark purple.
University degree does not necessarily guarantee wealth. Don't get me wrong, it's a good step and it's a good idea. But there are many wealthy people around the world and in South Africa who don't even have high school certificates. It is not a barrier to your wealth if you can't afford a formal education. Instead, we need to find other ways to raise our value. Now let's start at the very simplest levels. I mean, say for example that you can read but not very well. To raise your personal value, how about getting hold of some very basic books and teaching yourself to read a little bit better?